Hello everybody and welcome back to Atlan app. Are you currently having problems that your Crystal of Atlan game is not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before that my Crystal of Atlan game was not working. It kept crashing all the time, but this is what I did myself. I firstly closed the app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone instead. And here on the settings app, then I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So on this page, I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage. And then we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load in here. So we need to wait a couple of seconds to completely load all the apps. And now when it's done, as you can see, we can just swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search, search for Crystal of Atlan here and click on it. Then click on Upload App and once again click on Upload App. We're just going to wait a couple of seconds here now. And click on reinstall app now. As you can see, click on it. Sometimes you have to click on it 2 times, unfortunately, but just wait now for the game to completely update to its latest version. So this actually took me a couple of minutes. When it was done though, I just went back into the app and now it was working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.